Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do it this way. I did a ShopRite grocery haul and my son ended up deleting both videos and I couldn't upload it. So now I'm going to just go by the items that I have put away so you can see what I bought today. I bought this gigantic big, huge gallon. It's real big and tall hand sanitizer gel. And then I got these two. One's blue and one's green. They're Mexican. It's from Mexico. I got the Mexican dish soap. Then I ended up getting 4 bottles right here of some Purex laundry detergent. Got that one. This one's a lily one. Some lavender one. And then I forgot the other one. They're like different scents. So I got all those. I got a whole bunch of Pepsis. I bought 2 of these 2-liter diet cherry Pepsis and 1 regular because my husband drinks regular Pepsi. And then I got a whole bunch of mashed potato side dishes. I got the smoky cheese and bacon. I got the roasted garlic. I got the cheddar and sour cream. The golden select, which is the golden potato. I got some taco sauce. This is from the chef that you see on TV. It's a white guy, but he lives in Mexico and he makes Mexican food. So this is a really good sauce. It's a little strong, but I just got 1 pack because I want to be making some gorditas or tacos. I don't know yet. And then I got some North side dishes. I got the 4-cheese pasta. So I got 2 of those. And then I got some Ohio instant mashed potatoes. This is 4 cheese. And then I got sour cream and chives. Then right here in my freezer, I got this big thing of boneless. This is like a sweet and barbecue-y wings. It has no bones. I got a big bag right here of onion rings. I'm going to put them in my air fryer. Big, huge thing of pork chops. I got a whole bunch of chicken thighs and then chicken breast from Purdue. I hauled these in the past. And then I got some 3-cheese Texas toast bread. I also got some like boneless like chicken nuggets, cutlets. And then I got an Italian style cutlets. I got some milk. Okay, here it goes. I have it in my freezer. I got some Purdue. This is the Italian style. They're more flavored cutlets. They're already cooked and breaded. And that's the original. These are good for making with sandwiches and other things. I also got 2 boxes of this Goya rice primavera rice. I got 2 boxes right here of the Parmesan cheese pastaroni. That's angel hair. That's good for side dishes. Then right here in my freezer section, my refrigerator, I got some crema mexicana, which is like a Mexican sour cream. I also did buy some queso fresco and some Mexican shredded cheese. I also got this big box that I bought, the breakfast essentials from Carnation. This is like strawberry. You get chocolate and vanilla milk, and it has vitamins in it, and you mix it with your milk and you drink it. It's really, really good. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's all for my haul. I can't remember anything else that I did buy. I bought, like I said, I did a whole video, and my son erased it by mistake. I had like hand sanitizer, the laundry detergents, some queso fresco, some Mexican cheese, sour cream. I did buy a bunch of meat, a little bit of side dishes here and there, some rice, some Mexican dish soap, and, like drinks and things like that. That's all I can remember. But anyway, thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. Sorry I had to do it this way. I will be doing more soon. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day and be safe out there, guys. Bye.